So kinetic energy of the body depends upon mass and speed, and the expression of kinetic energy is half into mass into velocity square. That is, first one is speed. The faster an object moves, the more kinetic energy it has. And next is the mass. So we can say that kinetic energy increases as the mass increases. Next form of mechanical energy is potential energy. So kinetic energy was the energy possessed by the body due to its motion, state of motion, and this energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its specific position or changed configuration. So that type of energy is called as the potential energy. It is generally denoted by capital U. Now, like kinetic energy depends upon the mass and velocity, similarly potential energy also depends upon two factors, that is mass of the body, then acceleration due to gravity, and then height of the body with respect to the ground. So expression of potential energy is m into g into h, and you can easily see that potential energy is directly proportional to mass. More is the mass, more is the potential energy, and potential energy is directly proportional to h also. The more greater height an object has been kept, the more potential energy it possesses. For example, there are two nails. So in first case, a stone is moving from an height, and in the second case, a stone has been put on the nail. So you can easily see that it possesses some potential energy, and when it falls on the nail, this potential energy has been transferred to the nail, and this nail is easily pierced inside this wooden block. So we can say that this stone is having some potential energy which is used for the nail to sink into the wood. Then the body has potential energy of two types. First one is gravitational potential energy, as the name itself suggests, gravitational, and second one is elastic potential energy. So first we will discuss gravitational potential energy. So the potential energy possessed by a body due to its position relative to the center of the earth is called its gravitational potential energy. The larger the distance of the body from the center of the earth, the greater is its potential energy. As we have already seen in the previous slide, the expression of potential energy was m into g into h. So we can say that the gravitational potential energy is directly proportional to the height of the object from the earth's surface. Second one is elastic potential energy. So the energy possessed by the body in the deformed state, whenever you apply the force and the body comes into the deformation, or there is a change in its configuration. During that changed configuration, some energy has been stored inside the body. That energy is known as elastic potential energy, and it is equal to amount of work done in deforming the body or in changing the configuration of the body. For example, when the watch is wounded, its energy is stored into its spring such that the watch works for few hours with this energy. So previously watches were there in which we have to wound the spring. After that spring has been wounded, that watch works till the energy has been stored into that wounded spring. When their energy is lost, in that case the watch stops working. So we can say that these type of watches works on the stored elastic potential energy of the spring. So let's see the expression for gravitational potential energy. An object increases its energy when raised through a height. This is because work is done on it against gravity while it has been raised. So we can say that gravitational potential energy of an object at a point above the ground is defined as the work done in raising it from the ground to that point against the gravity. So whenever you take an object from the ground to a certain height, in that case whatever energy has been stored in this body, that energy is known as the gravitational potential energy. And since it is moving from this point to this point, so there is some work has been done on this object and which is done against the gravity. Now why we are saying that it is done against the gravity? Because gravitational force always exerts in the downward direction and this block has been moved in the upward direction. So we can say that this work has been done against the gravity. So what is the expression of that work? Force of gravity will be due to the weight of the object, and that is equal to mg, and the displacement of the object is h, so work done is known as mg into h. And this work done has been stored into the body, in the form of gravitational potential energy. So two factors that affect the gravitational potential energy of an object are mass as well as distance of it from the surface of the earth. So these two factors we will discuss in detail in the next slide as well as we will discuss about the other factors. So that's all for today, and thank you.